Everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola Toussaint. Today I'm gonna do something really good, really easy with you guys, and I'm gonna make some garlic butter scallop, guys. It tastes so good, guys, and I hope you guys follow my recipe. I'm gonna make it my way, guys, and when I make it this way, guys, I really love the result. Please stay with me. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you. Guys, that's everything we're gonna need. I have like about 1 pound of scallop, and we're gonna need some black pepper. We're gonna like do it so simple. I have some salt. I'm gonna need some lemon. I have some dry parsley, but you guys can use the fresh one if you guys want to. And I have some Old Bay season, and I'm gonna need a little bit of it. Like any seafood I make, I always put the Old Bay season on it. And we're gonna need some butter, of course, and we're gonna need some fresh garlic. All right, guys, we're gonna start right now. Let's just start to season our scallops, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit of sea salt. It's like half teaspoon of sea salt. I'm just gonna add it in all of them, and we're gonna get some black pepper. Gonna season the first side of it, and we're gonna get, that's the Old Bay seasoning. I'm gonna get like half teaspoon. We don't have to put that much, just a little bit for the taste. And we're just gonna turn it the other side. I'm gonna do the same thing. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing for the other side again. A little bit of salt. You don't have to put that much. And we have the Old Bay season. I'm just gonna do it to the other side, guys, what I'm showing you. I'm gonna put a little bit of the black pepper again. That's it. Now we're gonna start to cook it. Alright, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some butter, and you don't have to put it on high. I put it on medium because you don't want them to overcook. I'm just gonna let the butter to be melted. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add my scallop. Add them nice and easy. Okay, I have some more. And what I'm gonna do, guys, now I'm gonna let it cook for like 1.5 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm just gonna turn it to the other side to show you guys. Now after 2 minutes, I'm just gonna flip it to the other side. You guys can see it's nice and crispy. Oh my god, looks so good. Okay, we're gonna turn the last one, and we're gonna let it cook for another 2 minutes, guys. After 2 minutes, I will show you guys how it looks like. Guys, I'm done with them. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take them and I'm gonna place them on my plate. We're gonna put them in this beautiful plate right here. I'm gonna take all of them, guys, one by one. Alright, guys, that's the sauce. That's the oil I was using for this scallop. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some butter, and I have my fresh garlic I already chopped. I'm just gonna add it to it. I'm just making this sauce for the scallop. All of the garlic, and I'm just gonna leave it for the garlic. I'm just gonna leave the garlic and the oil for and the butter for a little bit. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have some fresh lemon. I'm just gonna add some lemon juice. Add a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. And you guys, you don't have to, but I love spicy sauce. I have some hot sauce. I'm just gonna put some hot sauce in the sauce, but you guys don't have to. I'm just gonna add some hot sauce, and if you guys put the hot sauce, you guys gonna love the result. It's just gonna make it a little bit spicy, and it make it taste better, in my opinion. Just gonna do the sauce. You see? It's good. I'm gonna leave it like for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna put it on top of the scallop, and I will show you guys. Alright guys, now I have my sauce. I'm just gonna add it to the scallop. It's mostly butter. It's butter and garlic, guys, and a little bit of the hot sauce. And next, what I'm gonna do, I have some dry parsley, guys. I'm just gonna add some dry parsley to it. I'll show it to you guys. Alright guys, I'm done. That's the final results. I'm gonna show you, zoom it a little bit, guys, so you guys can see. Oh my god, they look so delicious, guys. Oh my god. And please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want to know or to make any type of food, please comment, and I will show you guys how to make it. And thank you so much again. God bless you all. See you guys on my next video. Bye.